Welcome back to computer science. Yesterday we did quiz 2, so it's now Saturday. We have a lecture due tomorrow, so that's where we're going to put my focus now, is on the next lecture that's due tomorrow night. So I don't know what it's about. Let's check it out really quick before I jump in and then recall what I learned in a little bit. I think it's lecture 16. Yep. Developing programs. Sometimes it doesn't let me see the whole thing. Developing programs break / continue and enumerate function. So, yeah, I'll be back to recall what I learned a little bit. Okay, so we started and completed the first unit, which was about incremental programming. So incremental programming is building a program slowly, meaning you get kind of like a simplified version of the program first, and then you add pieces by piece so that you can test continuously throughout. And so you can debug each part of the program without building the whole thing and then trying to test it and then finding there's many bugs, and then it's a jumbled mess, and fixing this bug and cause this other bug. So the more complex the programs start to get, the more important the approach to programming is and the design. And so incremental programming is just building slowly from a simplified version of the program first until you get to the stage you want to get into. A fix me comment can basically be put into a program to be like, I'm going to add this later, so you can make the most simplified version. You can just add a bunch of comments to build this next, I need to build this later. And then once you actually get around to building them, you delete the comment and add whatever the fix me comment said to do. And for like programming in bigger teams, you can even have within the comment the date of when the person put that fix me comment and who it was. So probably so that the other person can consult that person to make sure he knows exactly what needs to be fixed or built out. I think that's basically everything from that unit. And then the other unit we did was we started on the break and continue. So break and continue are two basically statements you can say. Break, you state within a loop, and it terminates the loop instantly. So if a loop ever gets to a statement that says break, it's done. It exits the loop immediately. So that's pretty much everything, I think. So developing programs incrementally. And then break, statement in a loop that causes the loop to exit immediately. So boom. I'm probably gonna call it there for today because I did a lot of extra time Thursday and Friday with the prep for the quiz and then the quiz. So that I'm probably well over 6 hours. If I'm not, then I'll be back later, but I think I'm well over 6 hours. And this lecture is due tomorrow night, and we're already probably near 50% of the way through with just one session. So I'm completely fine doing 2 sessions tomorrow to start week 9, which is crazy. Is that right? No. No, it's gotta be week 8. Why am I thinking it's week 9? Yeah. I think we're starting week 8 next week, so or tomorrow. So that's it for today. I'll talk to you tomorrow. See ya.